every sky still feels like blue. When I think of you, I left your town at sunrise, with your name still in my chest. Tried to run from all the memories, but my heart knew you best. The radio was playing that song we used to know. I drove 1,000 miles away, but I never let you go. I can change the city lights, I can sleep beneath new stars, but every lonely highway still knows where you are. Every road leads back to you, every dream I fall into, every sunset, every moon pulls my heart back to you. Every mile, every goodbye, every tear I try to hide, no matter what I do, I keep coming back to you. Oh, back to you. I smiled in different places, told myself that I was fine, but love has a way of staying when it lives deep in your mind. Your name is like a whisper on a quiet summer night. I tried to leave the past behind, but it held me soft and tight. Every road leads back to you, every dream I fall into, every sunset, every moon pulls my heart back to you. Every mile, every goodbye, every tear I try to hide, no matter what I do, I keep coming back to you. Back to you. Maybe love is not a place, maybe love is not a plan, maybe it is just one heart finding home again. Every road leads back to you, every dream I fall into, every sunset, every moon pulls my heart back to you. Every mile, every goodbye, every prayer I send tonight, no matter what I do, I keep coming back to you. Every road leads back to you. Every part of me still knew I was coming